In the last episode, we packed our car and took the long way around to get to Cape Town. This would take us across the northwest, through the Northern Cape, and down the west coast. In today's video, we head into the Cederberg Mountains and make our way to Somerset West. We continued our adventure, but first, we needed to refuel a little bit. Luckily, having the jerry cans on the roof made this a quick and easy task. Once refueled, we head back onto the road. Shortly after that, we ended up stopping again for a quick lube break and a borough stroll. We ended up finding this awesome Overlander. It's hilarious to see how tiny the Jimny looks next to this beast. We got back on the road, making our way to Clan William, where we would take a little dirt road detour that would lead us through some incredible landscapes. We would wind along a bumpy dirt road through the Cederberg Mountains on a hot 37-degree day. As we left the oasis, we ascended out of the Cederberg and began our descent towards the Ceres Valley. We thought we wouldn't see anything more beautiful than what we had already seen. However, the tar roads would not disappoint us. We experienced breathtaking mountain passes like Mitchell's Pass and Du Toit's Pass, eventually making our way through the Winelands towards Somerset West. Ironically enough, during sunset. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below, get involved in the community, and I will see you again next time.